In this video, I'll show you how to add a payment method on Peacock. Step 1. Log into Peacock. Visit peacocktv.com or open the Peacock app. Sign in with your email and passwords. Step 2. Access account settings. Click your profile icon in the top right corner. Then select Account or Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Locate payment information. Under the Plans and Payment tab, find the Payment Method section. Step 4. Add or update payment method. Click Update Payment Method. Enter your new credit or debit card details or select PayPal if needed. Step 5. Save changes. Double check your payment details for accuracy. Click Save or Update to confirm your new payment method. Step 6. Verify payment method. Watch for a confirmation message that your payment information has been updated. You will be billed on this method for future payments. Now I have some troubleshooting tips. Ensure your payment method is valid and not expired. If you encounter errors, clear your browser cache or try a different device. And you can contact Peacock support for assistance if your payment updates fail. And that's how you update your payment method on Peacock. I hope you found this video helpful. If it was, please subscribe.